it's your girl LaKeera. We back at it again with another video. I'm going to be doing my easy summer everyday makeup routine because it's gonna get hot. We're just gonna start sweating and I don't want to sweat my shit off. First off, I like to start off with eyebrows. I'm using LA Colors Browy Wowie. It's just a simple little spoolie eyebrow pencil. Okay, we're gonna fill in the eyebrows. So what I do, line on the bottom, line the top, and then I fill it in, but I don't fill it in all the way to the inner corner because you want that gradient effect. And what I do is I use the spoolie side, and I go in very heavy-handed, and I really bring everything to the front. Like, I fleek the brows now, like the brows, And then I make sure I blend out the back as well. And then as you can see, it has a little gradient effect. I don't like to go too bold. I like them to look a little natural, but that's how I like to do my brows. Let me do the other one really fast. I just hold it, line it, and then that shit just broke on me. Hope I'm not making too crazy of a face. But the next thing I'm going to use is my Holy Grail, my LA Colors concealer in the color Toffee. I thought it was upside down. and then I'm going to use this eyeliner brush. This is old as fuck, and I keep a band-aid to keep it. Don't fucking matter. I'm gonna go over my concealer. We're gonna carve out the brows. So boom, as you can see, it's looking good. Now what I've started doing is I've started concealing the top. I usually didn't do that because I didn't like that carved out look, but now all of a sudden I really like that carved out look. So we're also going to go on the top of our brows and carve them out. Same thing to the other side. I like to inspect, I like to look, because sometimes I'm about to go in with my wet beauty sponge and blend all of that out. Beauty blender like this, and I just go up. And these are the brows, and they look good, okay? Next, what I like to do is we're gonna moisturize our face. I'm using my Nivea Men Post Shave Balm. This has been a holy grail. It leaves your face tacky, which helps your foundation or powder or whatever to stick. The next thing that I like to use is this Tarte smoothing primer, which is good for if you have a lot of texture. Like right here, it's supposed to smooth that out. Next, what I like to do is spot conceal, which is I have dark marks, anything like that, dark marks, hyperpigmentation, whatever. I'm going in with this Tarte creaseless concealer. This is in the color Rich Golden. This is very close to my skin tone, if not my skin tone. So I just like to go in with this when I don't want to wear, well, not even when I don't want to wear foundation, but just to cover up any darkness on my face. This is my foundation brush, and I'm just gonna go in and kind of blend it out a little bit. I guess we're gonna move on to the under eye, because like I said, I'm not wearing foundation because it's just hot, too much. So I like to go in with my LA Girl Pro Conceal again, cover up them dark under eyes. And then I like to do that, I don't know why. Saw it on TikTok. And then I'm gonna blend that out. So next, this e.l.f. 16-hour Camo Concealer. When I tell you I love this concealer, it dries matte. It's one of my new favorites. I love it. And I purposely got a lighter shade so I could have a more bright under eye. This is in the shade Deep Chestnut. So I'm just gonna blend that out, specifically keep it more on the inner part of my eye. He's playing music and I'm trying to film a video. He's so rude. We're gonna set that. I'm using my Black Radiance True Complexion Banana Powder. And I've never been the type of bitch to bake or anything, but I just recently got into baking and I don't know, I might kind of like it. Set our concealer and all that stuff. Next, I need to set the middle of my brows because I get oily right there. Yeah, usually when I don't wear foundation, I will still wear some type of powder on my face. So I have this Maybelline Fit Me and 355 Coconut. And I'm just gonna lightly dust it everywhere else. Just dusting it. We're gonna move on to blush, and if you know this blush, I've had it. I need new makeup, honestly. It's a warm berry blush, and in the summertime, I just really love a good blush. So I'm just gonna put that on the apples of my cheeks and kind of swirl it up into my hairline, kind of towards my brow. Yeah, a bitch love blush now. Don't play with her. And I'm also gonna do my nose. So now we're gonna move on to eyes, which I keep the eyes very simple when I'm doing an easy makeup look. Like, I don't like to go all in with the shits. So I'm just gonna take, this dark shade, and yes, I still like to use more dark shades in the summertime. I'm just gonna put that in my crease. We had some difficulties, but we are back. So, like I said, I was just putting that color in my crease. I just like to have something in my crease. And I'm gonna take this big fluffy brush and kind of blend that whole out. I'm just gonna put it on the lower lash line. I'm gonna go in with this black kohl eyeliner, waterline, upper lash line, mascara, or you can wear lashes. I'm just gonna do a little mascara. I'm also going to add a little bit of highlight to my inner corners of my eye. I'm going to highlight the nose. Beauty Marks Wet n Wild Mega Liner. I'm gonna move y'all in so y'all can see. So you want to dot it where you want it to go. And then you take your finger and you take it and then you kind of like turn it so the other ones will be facing a different way, so it won't be like stamped on. That is enough of the freckles. They look so cute though. So I'm about to push y'all the fuck back. Back up, back up, back up. Back up, back up, back the fuck up. Now I'm just gonna spray my face. This is the NYX Bare With Me Prime Set Refresh. You can really spray your face as much as you want and it's not gonna turn up wet. And then I'm just going in with my beauty blender and kind of setting everything in, and kind of like, water really can dilute the freckles so they won't be as prominent. We just set the face. So next we're gonna move on to lips. We're gonna line our lips again, and then we're going to use this NYX Butter Gloss. NYX Butter. We're going to use this NYX Butter Gloss. This is in the color Cinnamon Roll, and we're going to apply that I'm gonna come back after I put on some clothes and put on jewelry and shit so I could be a baddie and show y'all what I'm working with. Okay, so like I said, I was just gonna go get dressed really quick. So this is the final look. I just paired, like I said, this is why I don't wear foundation on my head, because I like to wear hats and shit, and I won't be getting no foundation on my hat. So this is the final look. Hold on, I'm gonna bring y'all in again. Hopefully I'm not too close. This is the final look. Very easy, summertime. You may sweat a little, but you ain't got to worry about your makeup sweating off too bad. Yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. New videos every week. I have been very consistent. I've been holding myself accountable. I have been doing what I need to do, okay? And I hope I will catch you guys in my next video. Get that.